Now, I have the pleasure of introducing to you someone who is a young, dedicated educator, Alfred Brooks. Alfred is a third-year American government and economics teacher. He also teaches special ed at Charles R. Drew High School in Riverdale, Georgia, which is just a short way outside of Atlanta. He is a graduate of the Andrew Young School of Public Policy at Georgia State University and is also a BET 106 in Park Freestyle Friday Hall of Famer. So Alfred uses hip hop culture and social media throughout his teaching pedagogy to foster innovative methods of learning in the classroom. And we thought it would be fun to share a bit of what he and his government and economic students are doing with music. So welcome to the stage, Alfred Brooks.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Let me try to start off with how I start off with my kids in class. If you can hear my voice, clap once. If you can hear my voice, clap 2 times. If you can hear my voice, clap once. If you can hear my voice, clap 2 times. You can hear my voice, say yup.
Yup.
If you can hear my voice, say yeah.
Yeah.
If you can hear my voice, say love.
Love.
Say love.
Love.
Say love.
Love.
Say love.
Love.
Thank you. Give yourselves a round of applause. I'd like to begin by saying thank you to the Honorable Lorraine Hastings, Miss Cindy Ashby, Miss Jamila Brathwaite, for giving me the opportunity to share with you today. You see, today is an echo of my life's testimony. I'm the kid that was never supposed to be here, but God put me exactly where I'm supposed to be. I'm just a guy who grew up in Jersey, who witnessed the impact of it that his father had as a high school teacher and believed that he too could do the same thing. Growing up, my father would tell me, son, teaching is a ministry. And needless to say, I move in the spirit of ministry every day that I walk into my school's building. A friend of mine, Miss Teresa the Songbird, wrote a poem in which she says, a child will never care how much you know until they know how much you care. The best way that we can show children how much we care is to validate their existence. And how do we do that in today's time? It's simple, by validating their culture. Hip hop is the rhythm of life for our students. Hip hop is the rhythm of love. Hip hop is also the rhythm for learning. As a final project in my American government class, my students and I worked together to create a music video. My students were tasked with creating storyboards, with learning how to use a camera on a gimbal. They had to choreograph every movement that would be seen in the film. What is the result? A video we posted just 2 days before Christmas has now been viewed more than 20,000 times across social media platforms. Now, if I'm being honest, 19,000 of those times were probably some of my family members. But throughout this conference, we've heard many great speakers emphasize why we must incorporate hip hop into our pedagogy. And I'm sure there are many of you asking yourselves, how do I do that kind of work? Well, here's a model. A music video directed and filmed by my small group, special education students at Charles R. Drew High School in Clayton County, Georgia. Now, I'd like to add, all of the students involved in the making of this video have special needs. Many of them are on the autism spectrum, some nonverbal, but they speak loudly through the culture. This is how we teach with rhythm. This is the rhythm of hip hop and the spirit of a ministry. So without any more delay, please make some noise for my students' project, the Government Song. Government. I'ma teach y'all about politics. All three branches of the government. I'ma tell y'all about Democrats. I'ma tell y'all about Republicans. I'ma keep the whole thing neutral. Government. I'ma teach y'all about politics. All three branches of the government. I'ma tell y'all about Democrats. I'ma tell y'all about Republicans. I'ma keep the whole thing neutral. Government. My government come in three branches. Your government only got one. Judicial, executive, and Congress. So I take long to get things done. The Congress elected to make laws. The president has a chance to enforce them. And the court has the right to review the laws. And it's very important. One branch, two branch, three branch system. Each branch of my government equal. One branch tries to step out of line. Then they gonna have to deal with the people. Vote it up. Y'all better pay attention to millennials. Ain't no demographic got more than us. Government. I'ma teach y'all about politics. All three branches of the government. I'ma tell y'all about Democrats. I'ma tell y'all about Republicans. I'ma keep the whole thing neutral. Government. I'ma teach y'all about politics. All three branches of the government. I'ma tell y'all about Democrats. I'ma tell y'all about Republicans. I'ma keep the whole thing neutral. Government.
Please welcome back Jamila Brathwaite.